A very quick video about text in PowerPoint. We're going to be very fast and we're going to cover just the highlights. So, PowerPoint works a little differently than, say, Microsoft Word because you have to put everything in a text box. Here's a text box. All I do is click in it and I can write my words. So if I type in, for example, butterfly, there I have some text and it's already added. I can click here and add more text if I want to. If I want to change text, I click back in the original box, highlight the text, and I can change, say, the color. I can change the size. I can change the font. So if I want to choose a font that's a little more fancy, I can do that. If I want it to have more weight to it, I can go to bold or even underline it. So we've covered all this before. If I want different text boxes, I can either go to layout and choose a layout that has different text boxes already built in. I can hit undo because that's not what I want. Or I can go over here and click on this and add a text box or maybe even word art. But text box is a nice way to go. If you're looking for some more advanced things, you can add slide numbers, the date, and so those are nice to know that they exist. This is an advanced feature. I can highlight the word. I can go up to this button and make it rotate so it sticks straight up in the air. Keep in mind, if I want to move a text box, you grab the side of it, not these little dots. Grab the side so you can see all four arrows. And you can grab the text box now by the little dots and stretch it out so the word will fit. But you can see how the word goes up and down now. If I hit undo twice, 3 times, I'm back to where I started out. I'm going to make this so it's not underlined. But I've now just covered a whole bunch of stuff with this particular font. If I want this to be centered, I click here, right aligned is there, justified is here, but doesn't work right now because I only have one word, so it's not really going to stretch it all the way across the page. If I want this word to stretch as big as my text box, I can click on this button and it just stretches the word out to whatever the text box happens to be. If I smush it back up, it makes the words and the letters really close together. So it's nice to know that you have that as well. If you want double space, you can change the double spacing here. That's the space between lines, not between words. If you want to put words behind something, you can change the order that things appear here. And that's the basics of text. Of course, we can always make a numbered list, or what is very popular in PowerPoint, we can also put a bulleted list. So if I click on a bullet, it puts a bullet in front. Again, I can drag this out and make it a little bigger so it all fits on one line. So I hope that helps.